So we're here to talk about the difference between TIG and stick, and we're going to give, I guess, our own preferred opinions. I'm here with Blake from Kentucky Welding Institute. I'm Eli Ryder from Heavy Hitters. We're here at Outlaw Leathers today, and we're filming courtesy of Outlaw Leather and Kentucky Welding Institute. So what's your take on TIG and stick? What do you think?
My take on TIG and stick, I guess, on which one I think is more valuable. No, I would say in the end you want to know both processes for sure. But I think starting out learning to weld or coming out of school, I think your best bet would be learning how to stick weld. If you can get good stick welding, and it's a whole lot easier to get your hands on a stick welder and stick rods, and you ain't got to worry about buying the gas or something like that for TIG welding. But if you can stick weld, you can get you a job just about anywhere. But I think if you want to be the most versatile, you need to be able to do both.
So let's talk about money. You want to make money?
Yeah. If you want to make money, you definitely need to know how to do both.
Yeah, you need to know how to TIG weld. I'd say TIG welding would be above in a niche area, a niche line of work. TIG welding is definitely going to pay more, right? Exotic alloys and different procedures. You can't. There's some places that won't even let you purge in the box, though. They won't let you purge in the box. They make you stick weld the box out. That's a true story because someone died from argon poisoning in the box, and that's TIG welding. So I think here's another thing is when you go to test, though, as a combo welder, you need to know how to do both. That's all there is to it, right?
Yeah. And most jobs now, the very first test they're going to give you is going to be a combo monster. So that's going to be the TIG root and hot, and then stick the rest of the way out, 70-18 the rest of the way out.
So if just wanted to go to work, I would say that we both agree that just wanting to go to work, if you want to have a job, stick welding is a good way to go. Learn how to run a tape measure, learn how to run a torch, learn how to run a grinder, learn your craft.
Oh, yeah. Be very versatile in your craft.
Yeah, that would be the advice I would give, and looking at the difference in students wanting to move forward and make a career in this field. One thing I'm always going to say, regardless of TIG, stick, doesn't matter, protect your name, stay honest, and be loyal. You know, be loyal to your people, man. That's what makes a difference. That's why we're sitting here today, is because of that. So is there anything else you got on TIG and stick?
No, one thing I would say, though, to just add on to it, is don't limit yourself to one skill. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and be very versatile in your craft, like we were saying. Be able to do all of it. I ain't saying you need to be a master at all of it, but I think you need to at least have some kind of comprehension of everything that you're going to encounter in your job.
Would you say that at Kentucky Welding Institute, you guys do a good job of exposing the students to?
I think we do, and I think we try our best because we can only do so much, but right. I do think we do our best to encounter you into every possibility that you may run into on the job. Between rigging, signaling, fitting, boilermaking, welding.
We are neutral at Heavy Hitters. We do still sell stick stingers, so we're neutral. We want everybody to weld everything is what we want when it comes to making money, right? So we're good with all of it. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I guess I ended up hosting it, right?
Yeah. You done good.
I appreciate it. Thank you.